Hello and welcome to Whisk Cuisine, my desi kitchen with the Western touch. Today I am sharing the recipe of brownie bread pudding. You have leftover or overbaked brownies. Just spin the bread pudding into a brownie pudding. Use brownie instead of bread and you will get this yummy brownie bread pudding. So first thing we need are brownies. I have these little overbaked dry brownies. So I'm using this. Then I'm using vanilla half a teaspoon, 4 egg yolks and 1 whole egg, 2 cups of milk and 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. So these are all ingredients. I'm not using any sweetener or any sugar because brownies are sweet enough for your dessert. Then cut the brownies into 1 or 2 inches square pieces. Just grease your 8 by 8 inch pan and place these cubes of brownies in your pan. Arrange them accordingly. Now for the next step, take a heavy saucepan, pour your milk inside, and then add in 2 cups of heavy whipping cream. Now heat until it comes near to the boiling point. Now whisk your egg with the egg yolks. Add in half a teaspoon of vanilla inside. Mix it well. Now transfer your milk mixture into the bowl. Add the egg into the very mild milk and cream mixture. I always prefer to do it in batches so it doesn't crumble or cook the eggs. Add all the egg mixture, whisk it well until everything is combined. Now take the casserole where you already placed your brownies. Take a sauce, pour it all over your brownies. Leave it for at least 10 minutes so they get soaked properly, and then bake it on 325 Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. And then your brownie bread pudding will be ready to eat. So here you go. Brownie bread pudding. The leftover brownies or your hard brownies turn into a yummy dessert. We had it in a brunch with our stuffed parathas. Serve warm or serve it with a scoop of ice cream. I'm sure you or your family will love to have it. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel for more recipes and updates. Like us on Facebook or follow me on Instagram.